Hello guys, it's me again from Lunatic Fire, and I am doing my job as a YouTuber. Maybe I'm not a famous YouTuber, as I do show you the code of this game. So let's go. Follow me in Google. Just search the codes for pewpew simulator. And make sure it's YQ fandom, because if it's not, you can't get it. Okay, that's all of the codes. If you want to get it in my video, and you are using a phone, not a computer, just post the video and copy it all. Okay? So what are you waiting for? Do it. So are you done? If you are done, just click subscribe, and don't forget to like and click the bell button. That's all what I do right now. That's all, and goodbye.